Welcome to the Pregnancy Help News Brief. I'm Lisa Bourne, Managing Editor of Pregnancy Help News. Abortion pill reversal was in the news this past month as we brought you a number of articles concerning the protocol that offers pregnant moms a second chance for a life-affirming choice. McKenna took the abortion pill in December of last year, having received the chemical abortion drugs in an abortion kit in the mail. Like so many moms, McKenna immediately regretted the decision to take the chemical abortion pill. She was panicking, desperate, and she did an internet search for the phrase, "Can I reverse a chemical abortion?" The contact information for the Abortion Pill Rescue Network popped up and McKenna connected with them. Later that evening, a nurse practitioner with the Abortion Pill Rescue Network got McKenna started on progesterone with the abortion pill reversal protocol. The Abortion Pill Rescue Network is a network of more than 1,400 healthcare professionals, pregnancy centers, hospitals, and now pharmacies that administer the abortion pill reversal protocol. The abortion pill reversal protocol consists of prescribing a bioidentical version of progesterone, the natural hormone in a woman's body necessary to sustain pregnancy. The progesterone counteracts the first of two drugs in a chemical abortion. The chemical abortion regimen is comprised of mifepristone and misoprostol. Mifepristone, the first drug, blocks the progesterone in a pregnant mom's system, starving the unborn child of nutrients. Misoprostol, taken a day or so after the mifepristone, then prompts the mother to go into labor and deliver her presumably deceased child. If a pregnant mom takes the abortion pill and experiences regret, and she acts quickly enough, it may be possible to save her unborn child with abortion pill reversal. Some reversals have been successful when started as long as 72 hours after the mom has started the chemical abortion, but results are best within 24 hours. The protocol used in the abortion pill reversal process is nothing new. In fact, progesterone has been widely used and safely with pregnancy since the 1950s. A 2018 peer-reviewed study showed positive results, including that 64 to 68% of the pregnancies were saved through abortion pill reversal. There was no increase in birth defects and a lower preterm delivery rate than the general population. Additionally, Dr. Lyle, a pro-life OBGYN and champion of the abortion pill reversal process, faced an investigation into his use of the protocol to save twins in 2018. His use of progesterone to save the twins' lives was deemed reasonable by the Institutional Review Board. To date, more than 5,000 lives and counting have been saved thanks to the Abortion Pill Rescue Network. McKenna's story is one of those 5,000 plus lives saved as she gave birth to a healthy baby girl in August. Part of McKenna's story, unfortunately, is also that her state is among those in which the government is actively working to suppress abortion pill reversal. Colorado passed a law prohibiting medical professionals from providing abortion pill reversal in April of 2023. The Becket Fund for Religious Liberty filed a lawsuit against the state of Colorado on behalf of Bella Health and Wellness in April 2023 and was granted a preliminary injunction in October of that same year. Alliance Defending Freedom filed to intervene in the case in March of this year on behalf of McKenna's nurse practitioner, and the motion to intervene was granted in April. McKenna did not initially know about the ban on abortion pill reversal in Colorado, and once she did, she felt compelled to speak out in support of other women who might be in her same situation and they want to see to continue their pregnancy through abortion pill reversal. One of the crucial aspects of McKenna's testimony is the disparity between the ease of obtaining chemical abortion pills and securing abortion pill reversal. She said, "It was far easier for me to obtain that abortion pill than it is for most women to now obtain the life-saving health care of abortion pill reversal." She was recalling how she was issued those abortion pills without providing any proof that she was pregnant or how far along she was in her pregnancy. "I think that is just so backwards," McKenna said. Also concerning abortion pill reversal and state government efforts to suppress the protocol, we brought you the good news of a federal judge ruling that 2 New York pregnancy help organizations can continue sharing information about abortion pill reversal, issuing a preliminary injunction blocking New York Attorney General Leticia James from quashing their speech about abortion pill reversal while their lawsuit moves forward. In August, Thomas More Society attorneys had filed a federal lawsuit against Attorney General James on behalf of Summit Life Outreach Center and the Evergreen Association, arguing that James is targeting pregnancy help organizations with threats and prosecution unconstitutionally chills their speech about the safety and efficacy of abortion pill reversal. The preliminary injunction that the Thomas More Society secured, enabling the 2 centers to continue sharing information about abortion pill reversal, mirrors one issued by the district court in a related case, National Institute of Family and Life Advocates v. James. The injunctions are a win for both freedom of speech and for pregnancy help. In a separate but related New York State court case, Thomas More Society is representing Heartbeat International and a collective of New York pro-life pregnancy help organizations that have been sued by James for promoting abortion pill reversal. One of the many reasons it is so important to be able to share information about abortion pill reversal with women is that a majority of abortions in the U.S. are now conducted with chemical abortion drugs. These drugs have numerous risks, like many drugs, but the potential side effects are serious, and unfortunately, the federal government has removed important safety protocols for the drugs, putting women at risk. In one of the news reports we brought you recently, the state of Louisiana law requiring the classification of abortion drugs, mifepristone and misoprostol, as controlled substances went into effect. The law was introduced after a lawmaker's sister was unknowingly given mifepristone by her husband for the purpose of aborting their unborn child. The Louisiana law seeks to ensure that mifepristone and misoprostol do not end up in the wrong hands, especially because the abortion pill has become so very easy to get through the mail, again, without verifying pregnancy or for whom the drugs are being procured. In a very good news story, we brought you a report on pharmacists now being able to be part of the Abortion Pill Rescue Network. The addition of pharmacists to the Abortion Pill Rescue Network creates yet another layer of medical expertise supporting the life-saving opportunity provided by abortion pill reversal. When a woman seeking abortion pill reversal contacts the Abortion Pill Rescue Network, she has access to trained nurses 24 hours a day via phone, text, chat, or email. Following an explanation of the help available to her, she is then asked if she would like to proceed. If she answers in favor of going forward, the nurse then connects her with an abortion pill reversal provider in her area. She is also given contact information for her local pregnancy center for free assistance and resources. The medical professional prescribing the progesterone connects the woman with a pharmacy, and from there, the pharmacist is able to continue the education and answer any further questions the pregnant woman may have. Also, since we last brought you the Pregnancy Help News Brief, Pregnancy Help News published 3 articles chronicling the experiences of men in varying connections to pregnancy help. In the article, An Abortion, a Gun, and a Suitcase, The Relational Impact of Abortion Loss, Kevin and Teresa Burke with Priests for Life and Rachel's Vineyard shared one man's poignant story of post-abortion healing. In the article, Are You Mad at Me, Dad? How do you answer your teenage daughter when she tells you she's pregnant? Brian Kemper from Priests for Life and Stand True shares his story of learning of his teen daughter's unplanned pregnancy and how we all need to receive these unexpected children and their mothers in love and acceptance, just as God does. In the article, What Happens When Pregnancy Centers Include Men, Reed Uber, who works with the men's ministry at Choices Pregnancy Resource Center in Chattanooga, Tennessee, shares how much more effective pregnancy help ministry is when men are embraced, both as clients and as volunteers. The exclusion of men from the equation in an unplanned pregnancy is a tactic of the abortion lobby and a rejection of their role as fathers. At Pregnancy Help News, we strive to include men's voices in our reporting on the movement. These stories and many others are available to you 24/7 at pregnancyhelpnews.com. Always remember, we report on the pregnancy help community and for the pregnancy help community. Feel free to contact us with story ideas from your corner of the pregnancy help world. We want to hear from you. Thank you for joining us for this episode of the Pregnancy Help News Brief. As always, we are so grateful to our host, Pregnancy Help Podcast. Subscribe to Pregnancy Help Podcast to be notified of our next episode and for all the great podcast content there. If you are not yet subscribed to the Pregnancy Help News Weekly Digest, we invite you to do so at pregnancyhelpnews.com. Whether with Pregnancy Help News or the Pregnancy Help News Brief and Pregnancy Help Podcast, stay tuned for more coverage of and for the pregnancy help community. Thank you again for joining us, and God bless you.